Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka District Disaster Management Authority East Khasi Hills District, Hanegasngi kala Pynlong yaka mock drill has secretariat, but additional secretariat, ban ajihika yaki pajba ladawan Jumai. Habakaran Hanegasngi ka Deputy Commissioner kijong ka East Khasi Hills District, ka kong RM Kurba, kalau ong bakum kini ki mock drill, kilong ki badan kam, namar ka jela ka don haka zone 5, haka jingwan Jumai. Kalau benrap da ka baong, bangidan kam banlong ki bagla kre, namar lada ja kum kini ki jingja, ladangi la Pynkhreh ngim yo kendu shibun ki jing e. Shushu kalau ong baladangi la Pynkhreh ngin la bandra yaki ba mensau, sya ki jaka sumar ban ai jing sumar. Ka kong kurba kalau ong ru, baka secretariat ban ka additional secretariat, ki de ki ying ki bala slambha, bat ka jaka rung bat jaka mi ka de na ka ju ka jaka, lingba kum kini ki mock drill, ngin la ban Pynkhreh la dakawan kum kini ki jingja. Kalau ai kublai kerpang ya baro ki badan bentalang, bat Pynlong ya kani ka mock drill, baka nyat be jai renti.
Registration macam mana? Oi. Registration.
I'll go straight away to the point. Shan has given the details, people who were involved with us during this program today. This exercise was felt to be needed because we are in that zone, zone 5 in a earthquake risk, we're in a catastrophe zone. So therefore, we need to be prepared, and this is just insight for all of you. In case should such incident happen, you are aware of what is behind the scenes, because most of the time, the public or even us in the offices, various offices, we are not aware of what exactly the disaster management agency or SDMF or any other agency that is involved in ensuring that life is saved and that the injured are taken to the hospital or for first aid or any kind of necessary action that is required to be taken at that point of time. So we do feel that all today we have taken the most important officers of the state, that is the main and the additional secretariat, because we feel that these two buildings are very old. And we have noticed that, the entrance and the exit is the same in most states. So for this, we do feel that there is a need for having this mock drill in these two buildings so that we are able to evacuate all the officers and staff should any incident of this kind happen. And if you're, just to take you back, most of us were not there. First in 1897 when they had that very high magnitude of earthquake that had happened in our state, in our region, we do feel that there's always a tremor from time to time. But we have become complacent or we are acclimatized to it. But then we should not take things for granted that are happening. We see that, these kind of natural disasters come in, such a timing when we are least aware or least prepared. So my request today to all the departments, I believe we have requested all departments, even within your own building, to come up with a plan. I don't know what is your experience, we'll be asking from you, but from our side, we would like all of you to prepare, and then once in a while, you talk about it and see. And you can also inform your Nazir or some person who is responsible to ensure that these gates, the keys to those gates, they are kept in a place where the person, there should be at least 2-3 persons who knows where they're kept, so that they are open at the right time for any kind of emergency. So I really thank our observers present here with us for watching and for being active participant in the observation. And I thank all the participants, the incident commanders at main and additional.
Last 2 years, and coordinate all the departments with the incident system, the community and all the auditors, everyone, they were part of it. And as Ma'am rightly said, we are sitting on a street dot site. It's the highest category for any earthquake, disaster formation. So we have to prepare for this. And how we will conduct during that emergency, all depends on planning and preparation. The office are a very important part of this. At personal level, at society level, at administration level, it is a must to prepare for the day. We don't know when it will come. But whenever it is, we must be ready. All those things, how to regulate, how to get ready, how your resources will be. Physically and mentally, you must be prepared for the day when it happens, because all very fast, so it happened nicely. The only thing is, since it was, everything was ready. Everything was at place. Staging area, everything was there. But once extra disaster will come, these all things will not be there. That time, how we will react will depend on our situation. So all these minor things I will convey to the authorities, what I observed. But overall it was very well conducted. And then message, just convey it to everyone, to your neighbors, to your family, to your kids. Wherever you go, everyone must be remembered for these things. Like they must be. Thank you.